Okay, Jeff, let's say that today's the big day. I'm going to have Triple Peaks Roofing come on over and redo my roof. What should I expect when I stand there holding my coffee cup and you guys show up? What's the process look like?
Our process actually starts before we get to your house, making sure that the permit is attached to your front window. But we also have a checklist that we go over with the homeowner, making sure that you're going to have your lawn cut, making sure you're going to clean up after your dog before we show up, because the last thing we want to do is step in a landmine, go up on your roof and slip. Checking your shelves and things for any valuables that could be shaken off during the process. But when we get to your house, we go through it all over again with our project manager. We're going to double check our checklist. We're going to make sure you're happy with the color. Then our guys are going to go ahead and take our netting system and we're going to net around your entire house and your landscaping. We use nets instead of tarps. Tarps kind of burn the grass. They kill plants.
All right.
They get real heavy, especially when it's real humid out. So we want to protect that. We'll put gutter protection in for our ladders so that we're not going to damage your gutters. Then we start to put our safety lines up on the roof. We start to tear off your roof. Inside, it's going to sound like World War III going on. So we do tell people it gets a little noisy. So if you work from home, that might be a day that you might want to work from the office.
That's about as complete as anything. I can almost picture it right now. I like the fact that you guys are thinking about, not just my roof, but my bushes. I've never heard anybody using nets to capture stuff, but I get it when you tell me. This is what you can expect when you work with Triple Peaks Roofing, and you're going to know what's going to happen. You're going to know what to expect while it's happening, and you're going to be assured of a great job. So, TriplePeaksRoofing.com. Check them out. Give them a call and get them on your roof.